Welcome to Auditly.ai, revolutionizing inspection and returns automation with AI-powered intelligence and seamless integration. Today, we'll walk you through an overview of Auditly.ai. We'll introduce the platform, explore the primary use case, highlight core features, showcase auxiliary use cases. Primary use case. Auditly.ai is designed to automate the returns process and optimize business operations for inspections and returns management. Our AI-focused approach improves operational efficiency, ensures higher data accuracy, and enables smarter, data-driven decision-making. Auditly.ai enhances your enterprise with seamless data integration, secure role-based access, dynamic content management, and simple dashboards equipped with powerful reporting features. Core features. Let's explore our core features. First, machine learning integration. Auditly, AI uses advanced machine learning models to enable intelligent image analysis for faster, smarter inspections, improving speed and accuracy. Second, flexible data entry. Users can search for products by scanning a serial number or entering information manually, offering flexibility across different business processes. Third, robust integrations. Auditly.ai easily connects with Power BI, Microsoft D365, external APIs, and even supports EDI and XML workflows, allowing seamless integration into your existing tech stack. And finally, secure access. Auditly.ai implements robust, role-based access control along with single sign-on authentication, ensuring that your teams work securely and efficiently. Auxiliary use cases. Beyond primary returns management, Auditly.ai supports several auxiliary use cases, facilitating product inspections during deliveries and returns for complete lifecycle tracking, enabling 360-degree returns tracking for greater visibility into your operations. Supporting reseller returns integration to streamline third-party returns workflows. Managing inbound purchase order serial scans for warehouse operations. Integrating 944 EDI transactions with warehouse management systems to create automated product receipts. Offering security-enhanced agent pickups, where field agents only access their assigned returns, ensuring strict access control and privacy. Auditly.ai brings flexibility and control across the entire returns and logistics ecosystem.